It's gonna be 24 degrees on Sunday morning, so I have hooked up the turbine and I'm blowing all the water out of the lines in the bunkhouse. So this is on the east side, and we'll fire it up and see what's going on. There we go, man. The top valve is hooked up to the low point on the intake, and then we're going to go here to the other side. This is the valve that goes to the shower and all the rest of it. I've closed it off so that all the air pressure is going over there. I've already been doing this about 10 minutes. I'm going to do it intermittently all day long. And I'm no doubt we'll still end up with a pipe frozen come spring and a water leak. Inevitable. And we're still blowing water out. It's got a 20-gallon 110 water heater in there. Who knows? I'll turn it off and let it settle and blow it again. Getting ready for winter. See ya.